Happy Wednesday, everybody. Something windy this way comes on this hump day. That's going to be the big story, the winds, especially around the western foothills. We had a gust of 67 clocked yesterday in Livingston. We just had a gust of 48. We still have a chance to see gusts up to 70 miles an hour, Beartooth Foothills, Livingston area. Until lunchtime today, that wind advisory is in effect. Winds out of the southwest sustained at 35 to 45 miles an hour. Also through 5 p.m. this evening, or later this afternoon, around Judith Gap, southern Wheatland, northern Sweetgrass, Melville Foothills. Winds out of the west could be sustained 30 to 40 miles an hour, and we could have gusts up to about 60 miles an hour. The rest of the area, including here in Billings and areas east across the plains, a gust 20 to 30 miles an hour, if not stronger. Watch out for firegrass concerns. If you're outside today, don't do anything that's going to cause a spark. Also, with the passing of a cold front today, we could get cold enough later this afternoon. Some areas could see maybe a little bit of a wintry mix or maybe even some snow. No accumulation of cording because it's still going to be warm enough. But here in Billings, not looking at snow, maybe a little bit of rain this afternoon. We may see a little bit of snow mixing in tomorrow, but again, no accumulation anticipated. Many locations just staying dry as we move forward. Our highs today in the 40s and 50s. A cold front passing through today that's going to help kind of put the kibosh on those winds moving forward to calm things down. So tomorrow just going to be breezy, but the winds could pick back up again Friday across the weekend around the western foothills. But what this front's going to do is going to cool us down a bit the next few days.